everyone, welcome to Botany Insider, and in this lecture we would be discussing a theory based question from the previous year questions. So the question says that the terms expressing some of the developmental events or the specific body structures are given in the column X and the number of the animals that are associated with them are given in column Y. So in the column X we have the specific body structures and in the column Y we have the animals associated, and what we have to do is the correct match of the terms of the column X and the column Y in which the animal's name is given, we need to match both of them. So we might not be knowing the names or we might not be having the ample knowledge to solve this question, but if we analyze it nicely, we could easily fetch out 4 marks. So at the first place, let's just try to solve this question without having any knowledge of this. So the first one is torsion, and if we have some knowledge from our previous studies, we could make out that we have studied about torsion in the apple snail, because when we study about the mitochondrial gene inheritance in the genetics segment, we study about this torsion effect, and this torsion effect was mainly highlighted in the apple snail. So even if you have the knowledge of just single options, match the A with the fourth option, and you can see that A matches with the fourth option in only one of the options given. Hence B is the correct answer. So you can see that without having the complete knowledge of the question also, we are able to solve this question. So now let's try to understand about each one of these type of the body structures in detail, so that if in future we come across any of the options, we could at least try to fetch 4 marks from this question or the question that is asked in that particular examination. So the first one is the torsion. So it is found in apple snail, and what it is, so the twisting of the visceral mass on the head and the foot axis is termed as torsion. It is a phenomena that is peculiar or that is mainly found in the gastropod mollusks. Instead of remembering all of this, just remember that torsion is a type of a body structure that is mainly found in the apple snail, and what it is a type of twisting that is mainly seen on the head and the foot axis. So this is what we need to understand about torsion. So the second type of the body structure or a phenomena is the metagenesis. So metagenesis is the life cycle of Obelia that represents a remarkable example of alternation of the generation, where the asexual and the sessile phase of Obelia reproduces asexually by budding and gives rise to the sexual and the free swimming medusa. This phenomena of the alteration between the two diploid phases is given the term of metagenesis. Do not remember this complete explanation, just remember that metagenesis is found mainly in the Obelia animal, and second, metagenesis is a phenomena of alternation between two diploid phases. The next one is Epolysis. So what is Epolysis? So Epolysis, it is the separation of the cuticle from the epidermis in the arthropods and the related groups, and the most common example is Tinea. Make sure you remember that what is polyphysis. So in simple word, it is the separation of the cuticle from the epidermis, and it is mainly found in the arthropods and the related groups. The most common example is Tinea. The last body structure that is highlighted in the question is Pedicellaria. So Pedicellaria, it is a small claw-shaped appendage with the movable jaws which are known as whorls. They are mainly found in echinoderms and particularly in the sea stars and the sea urchins. So as you can see in the figure, these small claw-shaped appendages are what are called as Pedicellaria. So you need not to go into the depth of each of the body structure. Just remember a bit of it and you might be able to solve a question, or there could be some repetition of the following 4 options given. So you could try out to have the question solved and fetch 4 golden marks. In CSIR, the rank in the examination increases or decreases by 0.25 also. So 4 marks could be a complete rank booster to you. We need not to master in every question possible. All we need to have is, we need to have the strategy to solve the maximum question possible in the examination without having the negatives given. So this was all that we need to understand in this question. We have tried to solve this question both by the help of the previous knowledge and also by the help of understanding each of the body structure that was given in the question. So torsion matches with the apple snail. Then we have the metagenesis, which is mainly found in Obelia, which is a type of alteration of generation between the diploid phases. Then we have Epolysis, which is mainly seen in the Taenia. And finally we have the Pedicellaria, which is this type of small claw-shaped appendages mainly found in the echinoderms and also specifically the starfish. So with this we have the answer as the option B, the correct option. So with this we are done with the complete question and its complete explanation. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want me to make more theoretical videos as well, please do let me know in the comment sections below. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.